Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to adjust grain in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos and Adobe Lightroom will take you towards Library where you can add and edit any photo that you like. Now tap on the photo that you'd like to edit and here you will see several options in the bottom menu. Simply scroll through this until you see Effects. Tap on that and here scroll down and you will see Grain under Highlights. If you want to increase your grain by a small amount, simply tap on Grain on the right side to increase your grain by 1% and on the left side to decrease it by 1%. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.